So in this week's circuit, we're using components that we've used in previous weeks. In week 1, we connected one LED in the circuit. And then in week 2, we added a potentiometer, which controlled the rate of blinking in the LED. This week, we've added multiple LEDs and a special type of LED called an RGB. The RGB works much like the LEDs, where it needs resistors and a power pin, as well as a positive and negative to act like a battery. The only difference is you need a resistor for each of the colors. So you have a resistor for the red, for the green, and for the blue. And the other thing that's a little different using the RGB is that you need special pins. The pins that you use to help connect the special RGB LED are called PWMs, or pulse width modulation. They act like an analog switch, but they're run through a digital medium. So it's basically faking as if it were an analog. That way it can control the light. Right now I have the potentiometer turned all the way toward me, so only the RGB bulb is running. If I turn the potentiometer, you'll see that the multiple LEDs in the cycle begin to come toward the RGB bulb. And then the bulb will run back. And if I keep messing with the potentiometer, the RGB will run through a few colors before the multiple LEDs actually run through a cycle.